in July, y'all.
Secret splatter here.
Yeah, just kind of sparks the idea.
Oh, crud, it's so hot that they're kind of melted.
Shoo! Get him out! Shoo! No, we can't eat the cake, Caitlin!
We can.
Caitlin, the cake is ruined! Now we're gonna use wax! Crap! Well, this isn't gonna stop us from having our beautiful Christmas in July, right, y'all?
Right.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you It's snowing, y'all. Snowing on our cake. And Christmas in July. Ooh, sweet.
Ew, this icing tastes bad.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Like a light bulb. So there's important marshmallows.
No, you can help me. And
Yeah, Caitlin, you little bugger. You're not even able to light it yourself. Go, Mrs. Marsh.
I got this one.
Oh, it's
Oh, you gotta do these.
Come on! Lila!
Are you ready?
I'm not singing Happy
Birthday.
We're singing something Christmassy.
What's probably the most Christmassy song ever?
Silent.
Is it?
That'd be kind of ironic, Mom.
It's not gonna be a Silent Night. It's gonna be a party.
It's okay.
What are we
singing? What are we singing?
The world and Lord her hand.
No, we gotta make a new song. We gotta make a new song.
Oh my goodness. What are we gonna sing?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a hot July day. Yay! 2, 3. Yay! And if you ever saw it, you would even say it was like a flashlight.
Cake and chicken nuggets, the best meal of the day. That's our dinner.
All the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. What is it?
It's a sheep.
Mine's a peggy with a butt and a curly G at a tail.
Cheers! Mazel tov! Thank you. That really made my day.
Never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games like Monopoly.
I found it.
Here, someone else can have it more. I mean.
It's very good food. Can you not be such a jerk, Stephanie?
Then I'd have to go with you.
Wasn't it Harry Potter in December?
November?
No, December. Like, wasn't they celebrating Christmas? See, it's Christmas right now.
It's winter.
Dumbledore! Take it, Harry Potter!
Silly. Merry Christmas in July! Monkey never tell it! Monkey never tell it! No, just get over it. What silly party?
Like an ogre? Raise the roof, Caitlin! Eliminate her. Eliminate Hermione.
The cards off me. Somebody else does.
Eliminate Billy Madison.